So let's move on and discuss the student course section enrollment file type and the data elements involved in student course section reporting in CALPADS. So let's review some of the key points about SCSE records and what you need to keep in mind when preparing your Fall 2 submission. So again, collaboration is critical, so work closely with site staff and counselors to gather accurate course enrollment data. The SCSE records you submit to CALPADS must reflect actual student enrollments. So the CSE records are required for all courses students are enrolled in on Census Day, the first Wednesday in October. So again, if some tracks are off session on Census Day, include those students and course sections scheduled for the first day track resumes after Census Day. So you do not need to report adult classes, preschool programs, before or after school childcare, pull out or push in instruction unless the course section exists in the master schedule, or students primarily enrolled in an NPS school. And lunch activities are also excluded. And you will need to determine the correct class setting for each student, whether the class is self-contained, compartmentalized, independent study, or push in and pull out. So ensure that key attributes match between the SCSE and the CRSE records, especially seed and course section ID. So mismatches will cause submission errors. And also remember, Fall 2 focuses on course enrollment, while end of year 2 focuses on course completions. So fields like student credit earn and final grade are only relevant for end of year reporting. So you must report SCSE records for all students in TK to 12 who have primary, secondary, or short-term enrollments and are active on Census Day. So the data should reflect the courses students are enrolled in on Census Day, which is the first Wednesday in October. So again, if some students are off session on Census Day due to track schedule, so you would include their course sections and enrollment for the first day those tracks resume after Census Day. The student course section enrollment records represents academic content or curriculum a student is receiving on Census Day. And this is accomplished by SCSE records and linking students to the CRSE record that contains the academic content information. So student course enrollment data provides information on the number of students enrolled in various courses on Census Day. So student course section records must have a corresponding course section record posted in CALPADS prior to the submission. The SCSE ties the SRCE by the following attributes. So the academic year ID, school of course delivery, academic term code, your course section ID, and your local course ID.